Hi, my name is Dan Tricarico, and I wrote a book called Sanctuary, Self-Care Secrets for Stressed Out Teachers. And you know why I wrote it? Because I was one of those teachers who was struggling with stress and heading toward burnout, and I said, I have to find a way out. So I developed a series of techniques that really helped me, and I hope they will help you too. Things like mindfulness and resilience, and learning why serving others is one of the most unexpected forms of self-care there is. So I hope that when you get a chance, you will check out this book called Sanctuaries, Self-Care Secrets for Stressed Out Teachers, and I hope to talk to you soon. Take care of yourself, and remember, self-care is healthcare.